Yeah, good morning, everyone. Uh, so yesterday we had seen impact of the announcement by the PM on 15th August, uh, wherein we saw a lot of consumer-driven stock moving up. Uh, Today morning, what we are seeing that most of the markets are range bound. No great upside or downside is visible. There was a meeting between Ukraine president and US and European leaders. The outcome is not known much, but there will be negotiations going on between these these people in the coming period as well, and which is reflected in the market that market are more of a range bound in Asia or even the European futures are marginally up. Uh, Apart from that, commodity market are more of again flattish, wherein oil is down by around $0.5. Sorry, oil is up by around $0.5, whereas the other commodities are marginally up or down in today's trade. So overall seems more of a sideway market for us. We had seen yesterday moving up. Let us see how it performed today. The biggest hurdle could be what we had seen yesterday, higher resistance. If we crosses, then that can push up the market. In fact, the comment from the officials in the Indian government are indicating that they are looking at some bigger planning, looking at higher reform and all in the coming period to counter the tariff impact on India. So if that comes, then that can push up the market further from here. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Today, the market is expected to open on a flattish note, and we might witness some sideways momentum during a day. Yesterday, we have seen a huge gap up opening and positive momentum had been carried forward. So, after such kind of a momentum, some range bound trading sessions can be seen today. Now, on the technical front, for the today purpose, the immediate support is listed at around 24,800. Any move below that level only will see some profit booking, which might take a Nifty towards 24,740 to 24,640 levels. Whereas on higher side, 24,970 will be the initial resistance level. If it surpasses that level on the closing basis, then more buying can be seen into the market, which might take a Nifty towards 25,070 levels, which is the resistance provided by 50 DMA. So unless and until it doesn't cross 50 DMA on the daily basis on the closing, till the time the upside momentum will be restricted and Nifty might face a strong resistance levels. Coming towards the bank Nifty, 55,640 is the initial support levels. Below that levels, we might witness some sort of a profit booking, which might take a bank Nifty towards 55,400 to 55,200 levels on the downside, whereas the first resistance is placed at around 56,200. Any move about this level will see the some positive momentum on by in the bank Nifty, which might take indices towards 56,450 levels on the higher sides. Now, the stock specific, yesterday we have seen a very positive momentum into the Asian Paints and the Titans. We already have initiated a buy call. I request the investors and the trader to stick with those calls because the formations on the technical fronts are really good. On the Asian Paints, we are looking for a target of 2670. So one can hold on this particular call with a stop loss of 20 rupees on a downside. Whereas Titan also looks very quite interesting on the technical front. The stock is well placed above the important moving averages, trading in the formations of upward rising channels. Upside target we are looking forward into Titan is 3730. So one can create a long positions at the CMP or any dips towards to 3550 levels and hold with the stop loss of 3460. That's it from my end. I request the to team to take a call forward.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So, on the derivatives front, as you witnessed in yesterday's session, that healthy buying was being witnessed from the overall market front. Currently, if you look at the data which got shifted from the yesterday session was completely like the OI portion which it took place was from 24,500 to 24,800 strike. Where heavy put writer positions got added up against it, that neutral level of call writer positions got liquidated. Currently, if you look at the resistance zone on the Nifty front, 25,000 to 25,200 will act as a immediate resistance zone for the Nifty. Once the Nifty manages to give closing about 25,000 level, after that we might witness some buying to get more stable in the market. But after yesterday's trading session, we have seen that the once Nifty opened a gap up note, after that the stability was being witnessed of in the range of 100 points. So that was a positive sign. While against that we are seeing that the index futures and FI also came into positive zone, and we are seeing that in next 1 to 2 day of a trading session, Nifty is likely to hold the support of 24,800 level, will be the nearest support zone for the market. So whomsoever is holding long positions should place a stop loss at 24,800 level, while PCROI yesterday closed at one level. So currently PCR is having resistance at 1.08 level. As for today's session, also we are seeing that Gift Nifty is likely to open on a flattish note. So once if in today's session, if PCR goes above 1.08 level, then again the buying confirmation will come in the market, which will take Nifty momentum towards 100 to 150 points on the positive front. While on the sector specific front, overall auto metal sector looks positive. Selective counters which looks positive, where we have seen that the fresh long Y positions took place in yesterday's session was majorly from the auto front will be Maruti, M&M and Hero MotoCorp looks positive, while another counter that looks positive will be Uno Minda looks positive. So that's it from Reddit front. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today, there are four IPOs which are opening for subscription. So I'm going to cover JM Aromatics IPO. We have given subscribe recommendation for JM Aromatics. The company is one of the players in specialty chemicals industry, mainly focusing on the flavors and fragrance ingredients and aroma chemicals. It is a level one supplier in this industry to level two and three customers mainly. Its portfolio covers 70 plus products, which spans across mint derivatives, spice and citrus derivatives, and a growing set of aroma chemicals. These are being supplied to over various industries such as oral care, pharma, cosmetics, nutraceuticals, wellness, and etc. The total issue size is of around 451 crore at upper price band of rupees 325, and it consists of fresh issue worth rupees 175 crore and offer for sale worth rupees 276 crore. Around 140 crore would be utilized for the debt repayment availed by the Crystal Ingredients Private Limited, which is a subsidiary of the company. In terms of valuation, if we look at the financial performance, it has delivered 9% of growth in the revenue or as well as PAT over the over FY23 to FY25. Also, it has seen a margin expansion of 200 basis points during this period. Around 85% of its capacity is of multi-product with forward and backward integration capabilities. Also, to support the future growth, it has planned a capex of rupees 105 crore, and it is aiming at increasing its wallet share with existing as well as adding new customers. Also, to note that it has around 32% of revenue is coming from US, and the management indicated that it has a limited impact with 25% of its business is exempted from tariffs, and some portion is having a benefits of duty drawback benefit. Also, the issue is priced at a discount to its industry peer average of 41 times. So it is coming at 32 times to FY25 EPS. We remain positive on the company's performance with debt reduction of rupees 140 crore post issue and expected near term top line growth backed by enhanced capacity. The key monitorables would be the working capital, which is stretched by higher receivable days, and the key raw material price volatility. Thus, we recommend subscribe to the issue. Thank you.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. So there are few more IPOs. One is Patel Retail Limited, which operates supermarket chains in the suburban areas like Thane and Raigad. And the company has private labels like Patel Fresh and Indian Chaska. This retail business contributes around 45% to the total revenue, and this share is increasing overall. And the rest of the revenues come from bulk trading, which the company does domestically as well as exports. So we have given a neutral rating to this IPO since they operate in a very highly competitive landscape and they'll have to invest heavily building their brand. And this issue is priced at 17 times FY25 earnings. The second IPO is Shriji Shipping Global Limited. It's a 411 crore issue wherein the company focuses on dry bulk cargo, especially on the non-major ports and jetties of the West Coast and in Sri Lanka. And post-IPO, they also have presence in the East Coast. The company mainly operates for coal and fertilizers. Top client contributes around 21% to the revenues, while top three major clients contribute around 40% to the business, which remains a risk for the company. And we are giving a neutral rating to this IPO as well, citing tariff uncertainty and other geopolitical tensions, as well as the company's revenues have remained flattish for the past few years. And this issue is available at 21 times FY25 earnings, which seems fully priced. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, another issue which is opening today is Vikram Solar. The company is into module manufacturing for solar power plant. Company has currently capacity of uh, 4.5 gigawatt and planning to increase it to 10 gigawatt. And further, they are also planning to do backward integrations. They got two plants, one is Bengal and one is in Tamil Nadu, each of 3.2 gigawatt and 1.3 gigawatt respectively. Though the capacity, they are expanding the capacity and a strong order booking of around 10,000 crores. But if you compare it with the other company peers, uh, the growth in the past is comparatively lesser as compared to other players, and also the return profile is comparatively lower as compared to other player. And also the valuation seems to stretch at around on a trailing basis at 86 times, whereas for other peer group like Wari and all, it is at 43 times. So issue looks fairly fully priced, and as such, we are recommending neutral on this stock and not recommending to subscribe to issue. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, gold and silver prices are looking to witness profit booking. So, selling on rise is recommended. One can initiate a sell in gold around 99,700 with a stop loss of 1 lakh, and on downside 99,400 to 99,000 are the levels where we are expecting prices to test, and silver to sell on rise around 1 lakh 13,800 with a stop loss of 1 lakh 14,500. And then downside 1 lakh 12,500, 1 lakh 12,000 are the levels where one can book profits. The metals to copper uh, can sell around 884, 885 level with a stop loss of 889, and downside we are expecting prices to test 875. Zinc to expected to test 264 to 63 levels, so selling around 266.50 is recommended with a stop loss of 268.50. And in crude oil, uh, if prices are sustaining above 5,500, then we can witness a pullback till 5,600, 5,650. All in all, it is consolidating from 5,450 to 5,650. So a pullback is expected. And in natural gas too, prices are resisting the 255 zone. So one should wait for a while. If prices are sustaining about 255, then initiate a buy, else wait for a correction till 245. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.